Welcome to today's walkthrough where I'll guide you through the quickest way to view your friends on Discord using the latest app layout. Whether you're checking who's online or managing your connections, these updated steps will get you there in seconds. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon. It's the circular picture or avatar in the bottom right corner. Tap it to open your personal settings menu. This is your gateway to managing everything from your account status to privacy preferences. Now, scan the menu for the option labeled Your Friends and tap it. This opens your dedicated friends list, where you'll see all your current connections neatly organized. Discord's updated interface splits this section into categories: Online, All, Pending, and Blocked. The Online tab highlights friends currently active, while All shows your entire network. If you've got pending friend requests, they'll appear under Pending, and any accounts you've restricted will live in Blocked. Notice the sleek design? You can scroll through each category to see usernames, profile pictures, and even status updates. If someone's playing a game or streaming, you might spot a dynamic activity icon next to their name. To interact with a friend, simply tap their profile. You'll get options to message, call, or adjust notification settings. Pro tip: if your list feels cluttered, use the Add Friend button at the top to send new requests. Already have a pending invite? Head back to the pending section to accept or decline with a single tap. The app also lets you filter out spam requests, so you'll never miss a genuine connection. And that's it. Viewing your friends on Discord is now smoother than ever. Whether you're coordinating with teammates or just seeing who's around to chat, this updated method keeps your social circle at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.